Okay, you guys. Let's turn this AC down because it's hot. Sanitize. Okay. So, whew, it is hot. Trying to let that cool down. But just got off from work and thought to do a quick vlog, being that I didn't do one for last week, or a vlog in a while for that matter. And just thought to turn on the camera. But yeah, just got off from work and it is hot. So I'm sorry guys, this is literally what I do when I get in my car, especially since the walk from my job and car, I mean, it's just hot, okay? So we're just gonna give ourselves a little wipe down. Alright, so right now I'm gonna try to run into the Dollar Tree and see what they have. This is probably gonna be a quick vlog. I've seen a lot of people talk about, you know, the back to school supplies at Dollar Tree, and I know it's a whole controversy right now with back to school, whether you're sending your kids in school or you're just going to be doing virtual. And I do apologize for having you where you are, but I don't know where my mount is, to be honest. But yeah, for my kids, they're going to be, I mean, the decision my husband and I made, they're just going to be virtual learning for the first 6 weeks, and then we're going to see how that goes. Because, hold on guys. Yeah, because we're just trying to play it safe. Yeah, from what I'm hearing, if you pre-register for them to be in school, they have to be in school for 6 weeks. Like whatever you pre-register them to be, whether in school or virtual learning, they have to be in that state for 6 weeks before they can transition to another one if you choose not to continue in the one that you're currently in. So I prefer to just have them homeschool the first 6 weeks and see how things are implemented in the school, because as of now we don't know, and from what I'm hearing, teachers don't even know. So the teachers don't know what they're going to be doing as far as trying to keep everything, you know, clean and sanitized. Then I ain't sending my kids to school. I just, you know. Anyway, so we're going to go to Dollar Tree. I'm going to see how much I can get. And then we're just going to make this a little fun little vlog. You know, got the braids, did something different. Guys, it's July. July is my birthday month. So, you know, you did something different. Anyway, I'll get you guys in the Dollar Tree. So, definitely want to get two. And I want to get one of these. Oh, and the pink. I know I could get these. Sorry. Put those in here. Okay. Lock my door. Sanitize. Okay, so I just got out of Dollar Tree and just got in my car and I'm sanitizing my stuff, you know. Yeah, I know. Okay, so whoo, it's hot, guys. So I just picked up a few stuff like this. I mean, you could have saw I went around the store to pick up whatever. But I think I might do just a quick haul right now. Is this better, guys? I don't know. So I'm just gonna give a quick haul right now so I can get this video up for you guys. But I did get these, I think, 1.5 inch binders, and it was so funny because when I was cashing out at the cash register, the cashier was like, oh, it's probably better to get your school items from Walmart or some other store. And I'm like, it really don't make a difference because they're not going back to school, so they're not going to need all those school supplies. And the point for me is to avoid the crowd. So I'm getting where I'm fitting, like, and I know for a fact that you're not going to find 1.5 inch binder for $1 anywhere else in the Dollar Tree. Like, this is the first time we even seen 1.5 binder in Dollar Tree. They normally have the 1 inch, but the 1.5 inch, no. So I ran to get that because my goal is to have all their stuff in one binder. The way that I did it in the fourth quarter was I printed out all their work. I took a day to print out all their work, and then I just distributed daily. So I would get all their work done for the week and do it daily, so it'll be easier for me, easier for them, and I could kind of have a head start on what I'm going to do with them for the week, and keep things organized and together. Then I got to go with their binders, some dividers, because I believe it was 5 course. I think it was 5 course each, so there's 10 dividers in here, so divided 5 course each. And I'm going to put it in there to divide their work. And then with that, I also got these 2 pencil carrier, one from my son, one for my daughter, and I'm going to be putting these inside the binder because, again, I'm trying to keep things organized all together. I am going to be setting up a station for them this time to do their virtual learning, because that's what we're going to be doing for the first 6 weeks. I mean, because initially, remember, it started off as just being 2 weeks and then a month, and then ended up going for the rest of the fourth quarter to the end of the school year, and now we're entering the beginning of the school year doing the same thing. So this might be it, and I'm looking forward to, like, not to say looking forward, but I'm just looking in the future. Like, if this is it, I want them to have their station set up so that, you know, it'll just be easier to function. I feel like in any aspect where it's a child, an adult, or whatever, if you have a designated area to do something, you feel more, you know, motivated to do it in that sense. Then I picked up these mechanical mark pencils for my daughter because she really likes mechanical pencils, and I'm not gonna go and spend $4 or $5 to get the name brand ones when Dollar Tree have them, and they write just as good. I did get her these earlier in the year when she kind of asked me to get one because I guess she saw one of her friends had it when she was in school. You remember those times way back when? And then so I got her a new pair, and they're going to go in the pencil case, and for $1, you can't beat that with a jiggle stick. I'm talking about heavy online. And then you saw me pick up these scented markers. Now, I was looking at the Sharpie ones, and they're not bad, but I saw like 2 for $1, and I was like, let me get 2 of these to get 4. You know, so let's open one and see how that smell. It smells really good. This one smells some type of fruit. I don't know, but that's the jam right there. And 2 for $1 opposed to 1 for $1. Man, I might just get the other colors, but I got purple and black, and then red and green. And then I also got the index card. I went looking for these like last year when they were in school, but I couldn't find them. They only seem to put these out for back to school time, and I want to use these for my kids' sight words and all that stuff. So I know I do need to get more, but I only get one just in case, because again, I want to see how that coursework is for the next 6 weeks, and then I could go and get more if necessary. But if I just wanted to have one on hand just in case I need it. And then I picked up one of these wooden blocks for a craft project for our dog channel. I also got a whiteout because I ain't had none. Like, really? And then I saw these. This is the hot and cold pack, and I honestly don't know where the one I had went. I probably grew legs and walked out somewhere. I don't know. You know how it be. So I picked up one of these because I never really saw it in Dollar Tree, and I really wanted just for the heating thing. Like, we have cooling pads, but we don't have one that you can microwave. So that's what I got. And then I picked up this sign that says, "Gather here for love and laughter." And I plan on decorating a little corner in my room, like a little shelf. So I just wanted to have those pieces. And I think that is it that I got from Dollar Tree. So you guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. Sorry, I'm all in the car doing a little quick fall. This is just one of those situations where you just want to get it done. Because you know, if you get, honestly, I'm gonna be real honest. If I go in the house with all this stuff, it's gonna take me a while just to, you know, record it. If I get in there and put these stuff to the side, that's it for a good week. You know what I'm saying? So it's just better for me to get it all out now, so I know, bam, it's there, because I'm trying to keep that content coming for you guys. Anyway, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.